build script, and we hope that it will work without any error. So let us run it. Do /build script, enter. So it says, okay, username, user ID, group ID. Then it found that the image is already present. Do we need to overwrite it? I would say yes, definitely I want to overwrite. So I will give Y, I press enter. So now it is creating the image. It has created the image, the Docker image built successfully. So the volume folder has already been created successfully. So right now we are inside the volume Pokey, not present. So it is created, and now we are cloning the Pokey inside our volume folder. So if I open one more terminal here, so you can see that, not here, Yocto Docker. So you can see that here we have the volume folder right now, and the Pokey, the entry point has been copied inside this volume, and now we have a Pokey. So if we do see what is happening now in here, so it is still copying the Pokey. So Pokey has been cloned now. Now we're cloning Raspberry Pi. And then what happened? So run the root. Okay. So why it didn't run starting with big server? So what happened now? We need to check. So Docker yes, say. So container has been exited. But why? Okay, to check the build script once more. What do we have in here? Good one, Docker. Now we need to check the entry point. Ah, we just remove this build image. So I'll do it again. So yeah, it just configured and didn't run and exited. So we need this build image. So now we'll try once more. Build. This time we are not going to create the new image. So no. So now Bitwig server started, and now you can see that it started building. So, and if we see in here in our volume folder, so we already have this our Raspberry Pi. This is the build folder, this is the Pokey, and this is the sources. If you go inside sources, we have downloads, S3 cache, and temp. So the container will be removed, will be deleted after the build, but sources, this volume will remain here. So now as you can see that the build has been started and it's building. So I'll pause it for here and I'll be back when the build has been completed and we'll see further. So now it is around 98% and it is building the kernel for the Raspberry Pi. So we'll see how long it will take. So now it is compiling our Raspberry Pi Linux kernel. So now the kernel has been compiled and now it is building the final rootfs, I guess. So the image has been compiled successfully, and as you can see that we are also out of our Docker container right now. So now what we need to do is we need to go to our volume, and here you can see that all sources are still present. sources temp deploy image Raspberry Pi 4 64-bit, and here you can see that all the images are present. So what we need is start pic. So start pic, I guess. No such file. Okay, so ls graphic, maybe yes. So here is our image file. So now what if we need to make some changes, and now we need to try it once again. How can we make changes? To do that, just we'll go inside our conf, our conf folder, and here you can see that we can make local.conf, and here we can make changes easily. So for example, here we want to add something or remove something, we can do it easily here. Twice in here, okay, no problem. But yes, we can easily do it here, and then we can rebuild. For example, if I do it once more, I guess it will not take a lot of time, I guess. I'll do once more build. Now we will go and start with big, and this time it is going much faster because everything is already built. So this is how you can, yeah, make changes in your local.conf, or you can also do stuff like this. You can also add, for example, if you want to add some other repos, you can change it here. You can add clone repo, you can add it here, or you can also add the checking of the repo if they're already there. So you can also do it. If you want to change the name of the image or something like that, you can free to do. So this video was longer than I thought. So I hope you learned from this video, you like this video. Please like and subscribe my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.